we've decided to work on a series of panels for one of the Benjamin Moore New York showrooms, and we're using the colors from the Color Trends 2018. We do a technique called Negoro Nuri. The aura line behaved perfectly for that technique.
We paint a lot of coats of paint on a surface, and then we sand it, and then we paint it again another color, and then keep sanding past the top color into the bottom color.
So I made these 6 selections of colors for the 6 panels, and then I took the caliente and I thought it kind of looked great with everything.
It's a color that will draw you in no matter what. It's a fiery, but not too hot, warm color.
Different colors can affect your mood a little bit. It's all about the way you feel when you're in the space.
And I think it's really important to use color to make sure that you keep your own personal space as interesting as possible.